Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, we know that when it comes to taxes, we have to follow the rules from the IRS. But when we're in retirement, Calvin, you say we do actually have a little bit more control over things like our income taxes. Tell us about that.
That's right, Jen. So when you're in retirement, hopefully you've saved money in different tax buckets. We call it taxable, tax deferred, and tax free. And the goal here is, depending on your income in retirement, maybe you're working part-time or you have a windfall, you sell a house in a particular year, you want to pull the money from the appropriate place to keep yourself in the lowest bracket possible. And that's only possible if you've built out a written comprehensive retirement plan, which only about 20% of Americans have. And that's why we've created this kit to help you do that.
All right, tell us a little bit about that kit. There's a lot of great resources available in there.
That's right. Our team and I have put together this retirement roadmap kit to help you understand how taxes will apply to you in retirement. Now, if we've converted a lot of your 401k and IRA funds to a Roth, then you're not subject to required minimum distributions. Every day that goes by that you don't have a comprehensive written retirement income plan can make planning for retirement more difficult. So whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit will help you navigate a changing tax environment to make sure you're paying the lowest tax possible going forward.
Some really helpful resources available in that kit, the book, all of those reports on retirement's biggest topics. Just call, text, or go online to get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit today. Calvin, thanks for joining me.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.